In ancient China around 200 BC, there was a fascinating law that prevented short people from being arrested. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who stood at just 4 feet 11 inches tall, implemented this rule. According to his 18 laws of Qin, you had to be at least as tall as the emperor to be considered an adult. This meant shorter men could easily claim to be children and avoid legal troubles, as birth records were incomplete and verifying age was nearly impossible back then. But if you did meet the height requirement, you had to be very careful about showing your emotions. The same Qin laws forbade men from crying, as it was viewed as a sign of weakness. If caught shedding tears, men faced a humiliating punishment. Their beard and eyebrows would be shaved off. Now here's something even more mind-blowing. The Qin dynasty also started one of the strangest crying rituals in history. Every woman had to cry for 1 hour every day for 30 days before her marriage. And she didn't do this alone. Her mother had to join her for 3 weeks, her grandmother for 2 weeks, and finally aunts and other female relatives for 1 week. This ritual was seen as a necessary display of affection and a way to show the bride's emotional ties to her family. Isn't that incredible? Ancient customs and laws can be so surprising and intriguing. If this video surprised you, just subscribe my YouTube channel for more surprising content like this. And don't forget to like and leave your comment, what will you say about this customs and laws? And hit the notification bell. See you in my next video.